In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Expedia discount code. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can lock in your savings with confidence. First, open your browser and go to Expedia.com. It's a good idea to confirm you're on the correct regional version of the site for your location, because many discount codes are limited to specific countries or currencies. If you already have a code in mind, keep it handy so you can apply it at the right moment. Now, select your booking. Choose the travel option you want, whether it's a hotel stay, a flight, or a package. As you browse, pay close attention to the details. Some codes only apply to prepaid hotels, certain room types, or specific travel dates. If the code mentions a minimum spend or excludes particular properties, make sure your selection matches those terms. Taking a minute to review the fine print up front can save time later. When you're happy with your choice, proceed to checkout. You'll move through the usual steps, confirming guest or traveler details, reviewing dates, and checking the price breakdown. Keep an eye on taxes and fees so you know exactly what the base price is before the discount is applied. On the payment page, look for the option labeled Use a Coupon, Credit, or Promo Code. It's typically near the total price or above the payment method section. If you're on mobile, you might need to expand a drop-down to find it. Enter the discount code exactly as it appears. Codes are often case-sensitive and don't like extra spaces, so type carefully or paste without trailing spaces. If your code has dashes or special characters, include them exactly. Click Apply. The page should refresh and show the discount as a line item, along with an updated total. If the code doesn't apply, check the message shown. Common reasons include expired codes, blackout dates, excluded properties, not meeting a minimum spend, or trying to combine multiple promotions when stacking isn't allowed. Adjusting your dates, room type, or booking type to meet the code's terms usually resolves this. Once the discount is visible and the total looks right, complete payment. Double-check traveler names, dates, cancellation policies, and the final amount due. Make sure the discount is reflected before you submit your payment, then finalize the booking. That's it. You've successfully used an Expedia discount code to reduce your total.